Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to manage and analyze data in a variety of ways. In this guide, we'll cover the basics of using Microsoft Excel, including creating a new workbook, entering data, formatting cells, and creating basic formulas and charts. Getting started: when you open Excel, you'll be prompted to create a new workbook or open an existing one. A workbook is a collection of worksheets, and each worksheet is a grid of cells. By default, a new workbook contains 3 worksheets, which are named Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. Entering data: to enter data into a cell, simply click on the cell and start typing. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move around the worksheet. When you're finished entering data, press Enter to move to the next cell. Formatting cells: Excel allows you to format cells in a variety of ways. To format a cell, select it and then right-click and choose Format Cells. This will bring up a dialog box that allows you to change the font, font size, color, alignment, and other formatting options. You can also use the toolbar at the top of the screen to access common formatting options like bold, italic, and underline. Creating formulas: one of the most powerful features of Excel is its ability to create formulas. Formulas are used to perform calculations on the data in your worksheet. To create a formula, start by typing an equals sign, smiley face, in the cell where you want the result to appear. Then, enter the formula, using cell references to specify the data to be used in the calculation. For example, to add the values in cells A1 and B1, you would type equals A1 plus B1 inch in the cell where you want the result to appear. Creating charts: Excel makes it easy to create charts to visualize your data. To create a chart, select the data you want to include in the chart, including the column or row headings, and then click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From there, you can choose from a variety of chart types, including bar, line, pie, and scatter charts. Saving and printing: when you're finished working on your workbook, be sure to save it. You can do this by clicking on the File tab at the top of the screen and choosing Save As. This will allow you to specify a file name and location for your workbook. You can also print your workbook by clicking on the File tab and choosing Print. These are just a few of the basic features of Microsoft Excel. As you become more comfortable with the program, you can explore more advanced features, such as conditional formatting, pivot tables, and macros. Excel is a powerful tool for managing and analyzing data, and with a little practice, you can become proficient in using it to improve your productivity and efficiency. Is there anything else you'd like me to help you with? Extend the topic. Sure. Here are some additional topics you might find helpful when learning how to use Microsoft Excel. Using functions. Excel includes a wide variety of built-in functions that can be used to perform complex calculations on your data. These functions can be accessed from the Formula tab in the ribbon, and can be used to perform tasks such as finding the average of a set of numbers, counting the number of cells in a range that meet a certain criteria, and more. Sorting and filtering. Excel makes it easy to sort and filter your data so that you can find the information you need quickly. To sort your data, select the range of cells you want to sort and click on the Data tab in the ribbon. From there, you can choose to sort by one or more columns, in ascending or descending order. To filter your data, click on the Filter button in the ribbon and then choose the criteria you want to filter by. Conditional formatting. This feature allows you to format cells based on their values or the values in other cells. For example, you can use conditional formatting to highlight cells that contain a certain value, to change the font color of cells that meet a certain condition, or to create a heat map based on the values in a range of cells. Using pivot tables. A pivot table is a powerful tool that allows you to summarize and analyze large amounts of data. It works by grouping data into categories and then displaying the results in a compact, easy-to-read format. To create a pivot table, select the range of cells you want to analyze and then click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. From there, you can choose to create a pivot table or pivot chart. Collaboration. Excel makes it easy to collaborate with others on a workbook, even if you're not in the same location. You can share your workbook with others via email or a shared network folder, and multiple people can work on the same workbook at the same time. Excel also includes tools for tracking changes and comments, so you can see who made changes to the workbook and when. Macros. Macros are a powerful way to automate repetitive tasks in Excel. They work by recording a series of actions that you perform in Excel, and then allowing you to replay those actions with a single click. You can create macros by clicking on the Developer tab in the ribbon and then choosing Macros. From there, you can record a new macro or edit an existing one. These are just a few of the many features of Microsoft Excel. With a little practice, you can become proficient in using Excel to manage and analyze your data, and to streamline your workflow. Forman Ustu.